Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, November 29, 2021. Travel restrictions are now in place for persons coming in from a number of African countries following the emergence of a new COVID-19 variant of concern, initially identified as B11529. The affected countries are Botswana, Eswatini, formerly Swaziland, Lesotho, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. All persons who are not citizens or permanent residents of Jamaica and who have visited these countries within the last 14 days will not be allowed entry onto the island. Jamaican citizens and permanent residents who have visited the countries within the last 14 days will be allowed entry. However, they will be subject to mandatory state-supervised quarantine for no less than 14 days. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, it is not yet clear whether the new variant Omicron is more transmissible or causes more severe disease compared to infections with other variants. Of concern is that preliminary evidence suggests that there may be increased risk of reinfection with Omicron as compared to other variants. The WHO says it is working with technical partners to understand the potential impact of this variant on existing vaccines, as well as the treatments currently being used for managing patients with severe COVID-19. Persons are reminded that the most effective steps they can take to reduce the spread of COVID-19 is to keep a physical distance of at least 1 meter from others, wear a well-fitting mask, open windows to improve ventilation, avoid poorly ventilated or crowded spaces, keep hands clean, cough or sneeze into a bent elbow or tissue, and get vaccinated. In other health news, Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton signed a contract last Thursday for the installation of perimeter fencing at the Lioneltown Hospital in Clarendon. The contract is valued at approximately $38.9 million, and the work will be done by civil engineering firm Costley's Construction. Fencing the compound is one of 3 upgrading projects being undertaken at health facilities in the Southern Regional Health Authority at a total cost of $189.4 million. A $38 million project to re-roof the Mandeville Regional Hospital is almost complete. And renovation work at Chapelton Hospital is about to enter Phase 2. A private resident donated $1 million to undertake Phase 1, and Dr. Tufton says government has now awarded a contract valued at $112 million for the second phase. There was a 6.5% increase in domestic crop production for the July to September quarter of 2021. Minister with responsibility for agriculture and fisheries, Audley Shaw, made the announcement recently, adding that chicken meat production also went up by 20.4% and eggs by 2.8%.
This is a testament to the continued resilience and commitment of our farmers to the sector, thus ensuring that we have food on our tables. The ministry remains committed to building the resilience of the sector through support to our farmers in their bid to increase production.
Minister Shaw was addressing an Eat Jamaican Day event on Thursday. He says government remains committed to putting idle, arable agricultural lands into the hands of farmers, including more young people.
We have made 20% of these lands accessible to our young people on preferential terms to pursue their agricultural dreams. To date, we have identified 50 youth who will be leased approximately 372 hectares of land within our agri-parks and production zones, with the first 10 slated to start operating in December.
The Ministry of Transport and Mining says United Company UC Rusal has commenced settling its bauxite production levy debt to the Jamaican government. According to a statement from the ministry, UC Rusal paid approximately $13.7 million to the government on November 17. This represents 40% of the bauxite levy owed to the government between April 2018 and September 2021. It also includes the first payment of the remaining 60% of the debt. Both parties have agreed the remainder will be paid in equal monthly installments over a period of 30 months, commencing in November 2021. UC Rusal is also required to remain current with its regular bauxite levy payments. And finally, Special Projects Manager at the Jamaica Information Service, JIS, Andreen Davidson, is the 2021-2022 Civil Servant of the Year in the Management category. She's one of 3 Civil Servants of the Year recognized in a ceremony on Friday. The others are Clayton McCullough, a driver at the Ministry of Health who topped the field in the technical support category, and Acting Manager of Information Systems at the Administrator General's Department, Ronald Frew, who won the middle management category. Each awardee was given a cash prize of $200,000 along with $150,000 for a joint community project courtesy of First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union. Public Relations Officer at the JIS, Judith Hunter, was shortlisted in the middle management category. Mrs. Davidson, who gave the vote of thanks on behalf of the awardees, says the occasion represented the hard work and dedication of public servants across the sector.
It is true because we work honestly. Yes, we work honestly and with integrity. And we are here. We're confident that we represent the vast majority of the public service of Jamaica who work hard with dignity and with pride, and yes, I reiterate, with integrity.
The Civil Servant of the Year Award, which started in 2004, provides a platform to recognize civil servants for their long and dedicated service to the public sector. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.